Welcome to Says the Brown Girl. My name is Diamond, and I'm a brown girl with a voice who doesn't mind being heard. So listen up, I've got a word, and it might be just for you. Today's poem is entitled The Recipe to Happiness, written by myself. Here it goes. The recipe to happiness. Do what you love and love what you do. That's it. No one can take the passion out of you. No one can dim a fiery star. No one can tell you what you're not or even who you are, so do it. Be happy. Thank you. Hi, you all. I know it's been a while since I have talked to you, but I am back. I hope you've had a pleasant time. I've been traveling, working on new ventures, and finishing up school. One thing that I'm very, very happy about right now is finally receiving my certificate of Says the Brown Girl trademark. Woo! We are official with the help of my aunt and my grandmother. We are official, y'all. Says the Brown Girl is an official trademark of the United States Patent and Trademark Office, and I am so thrilled that has came through and became true, because this podcast is my life in a way. It's literally my life in verbal form. Because I tell you all some of my deepest thoughts, it's personal. Today's poem, The Recipe to Happiness. Man, I have been happy. I have experienced a form of happiness that I have never experienced before through traveling. Shout out to my Uncle Rick, my Aunt Danielle in South Carolina, Danielle and Dejan. Hi, what's up, y'all? Yes, traveling, being spontaneous, being free, just that was great for me, because I am used to being on a schedule. I have a planner. I have an itinerary for every day, every hour. I know what I'm going to be doing. And if you don't schedule a week in advance, you will not be on that schedule. So that was a terrific experience for me. I've traveled to South Carolina, Mississippi, Louisiana, and made it back on home through Georgia to North Carolina. And that was amazing. Do what you love and love what you do. And sometimes we are forced, I know, to do things out of sacrifice, to do things that we don't want to do. And that's besides the point. Find time to do things that you absolutely enjoy. Make time for it. You make time for what you want to make time for. Try to incorporate something that you love to do into your plans, whether it be by yourself or with other people. You gotta do it, y'all. That's self-care. No one can take the passion out of you. No one can dim a fiery star. Simply what I mean is that love that you have for whatever it is, that activity, whatever it may be, it's always inside of you. It never goes away. And when you do it, it brings so much joy to you. It's surreal. It's always inside of you. No one can take it away from you, because it's what you love. When you love something, you can't. Love is not tangible. You cannot take it away. No one can tell you what you're not or even who you are. Be true to yourself. People can tell you what they want. They can tell you, but you don't have to believe it. And the end of the poem is the most important part of the poem. So do it. That's a command with an exclamation point. So do it. Be happy. Just do it, like Nike. Be happy. It's so much easier to be happy than to be sad. There's so many reasons to be sad, but there are so many reasons to be happy as well. So we gotta find what makes us happy, what brings us happiness, and do it. That's the hard part. That's the hardest part, is actually doing it. Making time for it. But It's possible, y'all. Enjoy the rest of your week. God bless. This is Brown Girl signing out.